A Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 will power the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra when it comes out in January 2016. It is Qualcomm's next-generation premium chip. In typical Samsung style, the Ultra will have a chip that has been carefully tuned for the Galaxy. This will give it an extra edge. Weibo posts from reliable leaker Digital Chat Station, Qualcomm could release the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 a whole month earlier than planned, in September instead of October like it did with its last two top phones. One reason could be that MediaTek is releasing the strong Dimensity 9500 around the same time as Qualcomm. Qualcomm may be trying to steal the show from MediaTek before they can. It is said that both chips were made on TSMC's cutting-edge 3rd Gen 3M and 3P process. The competition between these two chip giants is getting fierce very quickly. If the Galaxy S26 series is shown off a month earlier than normal in December 2025, Samsung may be planning to change its release schedule. This could mean that pre-orders can be placed before the end of the year. That means that people could pre-order both the S25 and the S26, which are the top models of the Galaxy S, in the same year. Could also close the gap between Samsung's Start and Apple's 17-inch iPhones, possibly changing how the race for the best smartphone works. There's more though. Digital Chat Station says the first Android flagships driven by Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 could hit stores as early as October. It is believed that the Pegasus CPU cores on this new chip will be much better, with speeds of up to 5 GHz. Completely on fire. Aside from that, it's said to have LPDDR6 RAM and the powerful new Adreno 840 GPU, which will allow for huge improvements in both speed and graphics. Qualcomm isn't making too many changes to the way the cores are set up. The configuration will still be 2+6, with 2 high-performance Prime cores that may be overclocked in the Galaxy version to hit 4.32 GHz and 6 performance cores that clock in at 3.53 GHz. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip might be 25% faster than the current Snapdragon 8 Elite, and the upgraded GPU might make the images 30% better. They got those numbers from a new post on Weibo by the same person. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.